guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamisha and you are watching A Mouthful. If this is your very first time tuning in, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. So today I have a product review for you guys. You know, I just recently went grocery shopping and I picked up a lot of new items. Well, they're not new, but they're new to me. So I wanted to give them a try and let you guys know what I thought, and maybe, you know, you might want to check it out yourself. So what I'm going to be reviewing today is the Beyond Meat Beast Burger 2.0, and this has 23 grams of plant-based protein. And you know, I am not a vegan in any kind of way and I don't follow a plant-based diet, but it is summertime. I know I've said that to you guys so many times about how hot it is here in North Carolina. So during the summer, anywhere I live at, you know, you just kind of want to eat a little bit lighter just because it's so hot. And so I do like to cut back on my animal products a little bit during the summer when it's hot, just because, you know, I don't want to feel weighed down. So I was pretty... Alright, so here's their website. It's beyondmeat.com, and this is the home page. You can put your email in there and get some good coupons sent to you. So I'm going to show you their products page, because this is what I was blown away by. I didn't know they had so many products, and I also didn't know that their protein is from peas. It's a pea protein, which is insane to me, because, you know, we used to push peas around our plates when we were little kids, but that little green pea packs a punch in protein. So they're 100% plant-based protein, and they have so many products. So this is their raw version of their burger, the Beyond Burger. They also have sausage, they have bratwurst, as well as sweet Italian sausage. This is the one that we're trying out today, the 2.0 Beast Burger. They also have sliders, and they have Southwestern style chicken strips and grilled chicken strips. And you see that right there. And then they also have some beef crumbles, which would be kind of cool too if you were making tacos or spaghetti or anything like that. Alright, so now back to our burger. So this has 23 grams of plant protein. And let me go ahead and turn it around to the back and check out some details on it. Okay, so ingredients is water, pea protein isolate, canola oil, coconut oil, cellulose from bamboo, natural flavors, methyl cellulose, apple fiber, salt, vegetable extract. And here's the base of the burger. The base of the burger is made out of spinach, broccoli, carrot, tomatoes, beets, shiitake mushroom, beet juice for color. It also has vitamin B12, vitamin A, and annatto for color as well. So there's two patties in here. They're both a quarter pound each, and it's 300 calories per patty. You have 20 grams of fat, 0 cholesterol, 7 grams of carbohydrates, 0 sugar, 4 grams of fiber, and like I said, 23 grams of protein. The only thing that is slightly high for me, I do have high blood pressure, so I try to watch my sodium intake. This does have 430 milligrams of sodium, which is about 18% of your daily recommended value. Now, when I did look on the website, the raw version of their patties have slightly less sodium. And you have to remember, this one is the one that they consider pre-cooked already and frozen. It's frozen, so obviously it needs to have a little bit extra to it to sustain its shelf life versus the raw version of it. So that may be why the sodium intake is slightly higher on this one. So I know you guys are ready for it. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so let's take this out. Oh, that looks like a hamburger. Look at that, guys. These look like hamburgers. Okay, let me break it apart. All right, so this is what it looks like raw. So what I'm gonna do is let me clean my hands real quick. It's a little sticky on there. I am actually going to put these on my George Foreman grill. They do, let's see, how do they say to cook it? They say you can grill it, brush frozen patty with a little bit of oil and grill on both sides. Or you can cook it on your stovetop. I'm going to put it on my George Foreman grill. But look at that. That looks like a raw beef patty to me. All right, so let me get my George Foreman grill heated up, and then I'm going to cook it. All right, you guys, so my George Foreman grill has heated up. We got good old George right here. I sprayed it down with some olive oil cooking spray, and I just sprinkled a little bit of this Aldi steak seasoning on top of my burgers. That's because I like it that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these burgers onto the grill, and I'm gonna close this up and let it cook for about 4 minutes. All right, guys, so I have about 2 minutes left. I wanted to just do a quick peek and see. Ooh. That looks so good. All right, so I'm gonna close it back. Let me stop peeking at it. I just want to show you guys what it looks like halfway through. You can see the grill marks from the George Foreman. So we're gonna let it go for about 2 more minutes, and then we're going to get it on our bun. All right, guys, so I already toasted up some buns, and I put some mayonnaise and some ketchup on it, and I have our patties on the burger buns already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna top it with some cheese. Yes, cheese. I told you guys I am not vegan in any kind of way, nor am I following a plant-based diet. So this is dairy cheese that I'm using on here, and I'm gonna just put a tomato on each one, as well as some onion. We're going to go and close this up. That looks pretty good. All right, so now the moment of truth. I'm going to actually take a bite. This is what it looks like inside. I went ahead and just cut it in half so we can get a closer look, and I'm going to bite into it. Let me keep chewing. Okay, guys, in the video right now. This is good. I cannot, I just had to pause and have my son take a bite as well. I can't even get it right. Beyond Meat. Listen, this is delicious. First, let me tell you, this video is not sponsored in any way. This is not an ad. You don't even know I'm making this video. This is my honest opinion. I just like trying new stuff. I would buy this again. When you first bite into it, you really do taste a char grilled flavor to it. The texture is good. It is a little bit red, and the redness is from the beet juice, and I guess maybe that's how, what they decided to do to make it look as animal based as possible. It's even juicy, which I don't understand. How did they get it to be juicy? But it's juicy too. This is good. So the only thing that I would have to say, if I had to give a negative on this, the only thing I would say negative is that as you're cooking it, it does have a odor that does not smell. It does not smell like grilled hamburgers. So if you're trying to get, that whole barbecue burger smell going in your house or whatever, it's not going to smell like that. And it's made out of plants, so it does not smell like burgers as you're cooking it, but when you bite into it, this is good. This has me wanting to go to Publix and try the rest of their stuff, like seriously. Okay, hang on, let me clean my mouth up and then I'll give some final thoughts. Okay guys, so my final thoughts. This Beyond Meat Beast Burger, 10 out of 10. I would definitely buy it again. I'm pretty excited to go back out to the store and try out their other products. This was delicious. It tastes and mimics an actual hamburger. Crazy how they did that, but I enjoyed it. My kids enjoyed it. The price was right for me. $4.99 for 2 burgers. That is not bad at all. It was very, very simple to cook, very flavorful. The texture was right on point, and we enjoyed it. So if you are looking for a plant-based protein option that is tasty and flavorful, definitely check this out. Check out Beyond Meat, check out all of their other products, and let me know what you think in the comment section if you've already tried it out as well. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more food related videos such as product reviews and recipes in the near future. Thank you.